This video is going to look at our human rights unit, what we are doing, and the skills that we are working on in it. So we are just taking a basic introduction to human rights, looking at the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and potential human rights issues or violations or movements in the world today and throughout history. So just a general introduction to human rights. The skill that we are working on is a critical thinking and problem solving skill. We are focusing on how to identify and define problems, as well as our basic literacy skill of showing a command or control of standard English with capitalization, punctuation, spelling, and grammar. For the critical thinking skill, you've got this skill if you can define insightful problems that are relevant to a group of people. So if you can identify a problem, talk about what it is, and talk about how it is related to or relevant to a certain group of people, taking that skill to the next level. You can do that. You can do it with multiple groups of people, as well as talk about how these problems were potentially created. So how did these problems arise? What led to them becoming a problem? For our literacy skill, you have the ability to show your command and control of the English language if you can capitalize the first word in a sentence, proper nouns, if you can use punctuation appropriately, whether it's periods, question marks, exclamation points, commas. And finally, you can use resources to correct your spelling before publishing, writing, or a piece of work, i.e. you edit it yourself, you have a peer edit it, or you use these handy dandy things that are in Google under tools called spelling and grammar and the spelling and grammar check. Back to human rights, these are your learning targets, so some of your I can statements are broken down what each of these skills are. Feel free to go and look at these. The learning activities that we are going to do in this unit are going to be based in the Human Rights Introduction slideshow. We have a couple formatives. What are human rights? The Universal Declaration of Human Rights, so something to do with each of those. And then you have 3 other activities that you will choose from a selection, and you need to do at least 3. And then we will end with a gallery walk that is looking at human rights or human rights movements. That will be up to you. But that is our unit on our introductory unit on human rights.